Hello, good morning everyone. Let us look at Nifty and Banknifty levels for today. Right now SGX Nifty is showing very flat opening because US markets were closed. US markets will be show a lot of impact on SGX Nifty where many of the FIs will be trading. As US market is closed, there is no much impact on SGX Nifty. Right now it is trading very flat. And if you look yesterday, it was a gap up and then we have seen some indecisive candle. This is a bit of a scary kind of candle because whenever there is a gap up and indecisive candle, majority of the times we can see market coming down from those areas. So we need to see how markets are going to be today. But for trading, I don't think it is that difficult to make decisions because all we need to do is just mark previous high and previous low. Today we rely on previous high and previous low a lot. So below previous low, we can look to go short. Market may come till 18,500 areas to fill the gap. And if you want to go long, wait for the prices to go above previous high. If it's stuck somewhere here, don't trade. It could be just trapping all the puts and call buyers. So wait for it to close above previous high for long. Wait for it to close below previous low to go for short. And if price sustains here, and if you see indecisive candle and then green candles, we can definitely look to go long at least this previous low as the first target. And if this breaks, again we can enter some more puts for this target of 18,420 levels. And to go long, anywhere in between these two demand areas, if you see any green candle, this is where we can enter long around 18,400 areas. So that is about Nifty, very simple, and it is same story in all the indices and same kind of trading setup should be done. In Bank Nifty, be little careful because mark this previous high, previous low, and if you want to enter short here, you have to be bit quick because uh, the gap area is very close in Bank Nifty compared to Nifty. Nifty has enough room to give you some points over there, and here the room is very less, so be little careful. Already if you see any big candle breaking in between this gap and previous low, no need to take such trade for that small targets. And if you see any indecisive candle and green candle coming from this area 43,900 areas, definitely we can look to enter long with the stop loss below this level. And even if this level is broken, then we can definitely try to enter some puts and to go long above previous high. So again, same setup in Finnifty as well. But normally we prefer to trade in Finnifty today because unlike bank, so here we have like enough room here. If it close below previous low, there is lot of room for it. Like, today premiums will be low and even this small movement could give good return in Finnifty. So we can look to trade in Finnifty today. Yesterday, we just got the movement in the first two candles and thereafter it was completely trading in this range itself. Today, if it close below this range, definitely we can go for some puts. And if it close above previous high, we can go for long. And if you see any bullish pattern here, this is where we can enter long. If not, and this will be the demand area. As we have like two levels, if you want to take some trades here, you can enter calls around 19,320. Otherwise, wait for it to come in between these two demand areas, and this is where you can enter some longs. That is all for today, and I have entered some positional trade for expiry in Finnifty. Let me show you what it is and how to adjust that. So I have entered this bidirectional trade in Finnifty. I'll just show you how to adjust that. Even though if you haven't entered and if you get chance today, you can enter at very much less premiums. See, I have entered little inside put and inside money call. All I need is like, just 100 points move. So this is like 100 points inside put and 100 points inside call. This total premium should have been 100 rupees for me because the difference between these two strikes is 100 and even if they're 100, it should be 100. But if you look at the price what I got, this is almost like 150 rupees, which means I paid 50 rupees premium to enter this trade. Instead of entering this 16,000 put and this one at this high prices, even you can make the same trade like by entering 19,600 call and 19,500 put as well for the same premiums. But by entering this, what will happen, just in case we anticipated there could be a silent day as well, because US markets are closed and maybe there might not be good movement today, that too because of expiry, just to erode all those premiums. That is why we entered this trade. What will happen, all now we need is just like 100 points move from here so that the trade will starts giving you profit. And even if it gives like 60-70 points move on either side, we'll get lot of scope to adjust the trade. Because for example, let's say from here, if there is a 100 points drop at some point during the day, and if market go till like 19,430 area, already the trade will be in profit. If want, you can book the profit and come out. Or what you can do, your 19,600 put will become like almost 150 points inside the money. You can book the intrinsic value and you can come down till 19,500. In the same way you can do if market go up. So this inside money will give you lot of scope. I'll try to share this trade tomorrow. I'll see like how it gives me opportunity to make the adjustment, and I'll post this adjustments tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow.